In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text in Shotcut. We'll start by setting up a clean black background so your text is easy to read. At the top, click New Generator, choose Color, click Color again, pick Black, and confirm with OK. Then add that clip to the timeline. If the clip feels too short for the amount of text you want to show, simply drag the end of the clip on the timeline to make it longer. The duration affects how much time your scroll has to play out, so a longer background usually gives you a slower, smoother scroll. Next, click the black background clip on the timeline to make sure it's selected. Then open the Filters panel, click the plus icon, and search for Text, Rich. Add that filter. On the preview screen, you'll see a text rectangle appear over the black background. Click inside that rectangle and paste the text you want to scroll. This is where you'll place all the content you want to move up or down the screen. Adjust the edges of the text rectangle so it fits the screen area you want to use. You can click and drag the handles to stretch it to the full width, which helps keep your lines from wrapping in unexpected ways. Once the box fits the screen how you like it, highlight all the text by pressing Ctrl+A. At the top of the text controls, click Center to neatly center your lines. If you prefer, you can also fine-tune the background size for the text area to match your style. If everything looks balanced already, you can leave it as is. Now open the preset drop-down in the text. Rich filter. Choose scroll down if you want the text to move from top to bottom, or scroll up for the classic credit style movement from bottom to top. After selecting the direction, press play to preview your result. Watch for pacing and readability. If the text is moving too quickly, extend the length of the black background clip to slow it down. If it's too slow, shorten the clip slightly. You can also nudge the text box edges again if you see any cropping at the top or bottom. Once your scroll looks smooth and centered, you're done. That's how to add scrolling text in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials.